Well, editing a photo using Gemini just got a lot easier because now we got a new feature called image annotation or image markup, which basically allows you to annotate or select the area on the picture. And this is a total game changer because instead of writing down the description of the area that we want to modify, we can just select it, we can just circle that area, and AI will know exactly the element that we want AI to modify. So this will make the process of editing an image to be a lot faster and more accurate. So let me show you how you can utilize this image markup feature on Gemini AI. So let's get into it. First, let's open Gemini, and by the way, this feature is available for both desktop and mobile app version of Gemini. Now after that, you can click this plus button and you can upload the picture that you want to modify. Now in this case, I'll just drag and drop this image and just wait until it finishes uploading. And after that, to bring up the image markup or image annotation feature, just click on the thumbnail. And there you go. And the same is true for the mobile app version. You just need to tap on the thumbnail and it will bring you the tool. So for this video, I'll just focus on the desktop web version, but don't worry, the process is the same even on the mobile app version of Gemini. Anyway, let's continue. So here, my goal is I want to make her look at the camera and also maybe holding a bouquet of bananas, for example. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to be using this tool. Oh, sorry about that. Select red color and I'm going to circle this area. She's looking at the camera and I'm going to switch to this text tool and you can write the instruction. She looks at the camera, and at the bottom I'm going to circle maybe around this area. Oh, sorry about that. I have to select this tool first, and she's holding a bouquet of banana and I'm going to write an instruction. Now you probably noticed that the color has changed, and yes, I also do notice that. So apparently the text color is not actually stays in place. It will change based on the setting that you selected. That's really strange. That's not supposed to happen, but I hope that they will fix this problem very soon. But anyway, I think we can continue. I'm going to write an instruction that says holding a bouquet of banana. There you go. Now, as far as I know, we don't have the option to choose the size of the text and some other settings. It's just so simple. So there is not even the undo button. So actually there is the undo button, but other than that, it's so simple. Now, when you're done, just click done and we can continue. You can incorporate some instructions or not. It's up to you. So I'll just click tools, click create images, and click submit. So AI Gemini Nano Banana Pro is smart enough to tell that, hey, this is actually an instruction on the screen that must be followed. So there is no need to provide some extra instruction. You can still do that. You can still add some instruction, but it is becoming optional. It is no longer necessary. So just wait for the picture to be modified, and after that we can see the result. Okay, let's take a look. And there you go. Wow, that's actually great. Now, you know what? Let's compare this picture with the original one. I'm going to download this on my computer. And let me just compare that with the original picture. So there you go. Well, I think it is able to maintain more or less everything, except of course now the subject is facing at the camera and also she's holding a bouquet of bananas. So yeah, I would say this tool is definitely work. It's great. We can specify the elements or the area that we want to modify in an instant. So it's a nice feature that now we have in Gemini. And yeah, that's essentially how you can utilize the image markup or image annotation feature in Gemini AI. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.